Located in the center of western China, Chengdu is well known for its historical cultures, magnificent mountains, booming economy, and intelligent people. Here, an innovative high-tech enterprise specialized in material grinding and separation technology is building its distinctive global strategy blueprint with its state-of-the-art ingenuitive philosophy. Study unfathomably and explore infinitely. Since 1999, Chengdu Leejun Industrial Company Limited has been continuously devoting itself to research and application of material grinding and separation technology. Through 20 years' hard journey and by arduous efforts, Leejun has grown into an industrial expert with core technology and a remarkable reference list of over 1,000 production lines. The market covers cement, metallurgy, mining, and chemical industries. The company provides complete system solutions for the above-mentioned industries at home and abroad. Technology innovation drives the industrial development, and a highly professional company can always pioneer the future tide. Leejun provides complete system solutions, including technical consultation, material test and analysis, industrial tests, industrial design, system process solutions, complex plant equipment, general contracting, and after-sales service, which forms Leejun's core competitive advantage. From pioneering to persisting, from made in China to innovated in China. Today, Leejun's professional capability has been widely recognized and appreciated by the clients globally. Leejun has established postdoctoral practice space and academician workstation, and all its products with core technology own proprietary intellectual property rights. Leejun has built the test and analysis center, providing clients with the most advanced, precise, and reliable reports. To strongly support the design and optimization of the solutions. With costly investment, Leejun has established several fully automated industrial test systems to provide customized system solutions by simulating actual production. Leejun is capable of innovation, research and design, establishing the technological innovation system of industry-university research integration, which can realize the reasonable utilization of resources and sustainable development. Besides, Leejun is consistently striving for more breakthroughs and expediting the forming of the industrial big data. Leejun is making more innovations in intelligent manufacturing, meanwhile mapping out a strategy and guiding the trend in future development. Today, Leejun enjoys a high brand popularity and becomes one of the most reliable suppliers. Thousands of roller presses and HPGR with Leejun nameplates are in operation around the world. Appreciated by those well-known clients, Leejun has shared many honors with them. Leejun is also a brilliant global supplier, and its service network spreads all over the world. In practicing the Belt and Road Initiative, as always, Leejun courageously pioneers itself on the ancient Silk Road to show its new era heroic posture. Born with its industrial mission, Leejun positively takes social responsibilities. In virtue of Leejun's experienced engineering team, solid technology background and integrated management system, Leejun provides exquisitely crafted products and perfection-oriented services. Leejun not only customizes for its clients, but also harmonizes human with the nature. Leejun looks forward to cooperating with you